Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-350 in a Platinum trim and powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with power deployable running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, mud flaps on the front and rear, and some bigger off-road tires, as well as the FX4 Off-Road Package, giving you off-road suspension and skid plates, as well as a hardtop tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected. But let's take a look inside to accommodate any other cargo and reveal a collapsible storage box underneath, which can be, assuming we can fold the seat down, can be locked at the hinge here for added security. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle with a 12 volts, 2 USBs, 110 volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors, as well as having massaging front seats, which is always nice for those long road trips. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 34,817 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then you have your truck info, such as gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, diff fluid status, engine info, transmission temperature, and then you have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and a heated steering wheel, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 camera, so you can see all around your vehicle, with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer, as well as some other views you can cycle through. Above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and your camera view, as well as your front camera there. And you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air-conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller. And on the right, you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. Moving down, you have this compartment with 2 USBs, so you can plug something in from there too. And then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. And then you have your center console area where you have 2 cup holders that can be turned into 4, as well as a locking center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, as well as a twin panel moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.